Today I'm going to be opening up this whole box of Caillou My Little Pony cards. It is the English edition of Rainbow 2. There are so many gorgeous cards in here. I have actually already opened quite a few packs and I've managed to receive some absolutely stunning cards, including 3 of my top chase cards. Today I'm hoping for rarities and twilights. Absolutely love either XR, absolutely love either UR. I'd honestly really like all the URs. The purple cosmic background is so beautiful. And then I'll just be happy with any other cards that help me complete my master set of the series. Now before we get into the unboxing, I would just like to say a huge thank you to the people at Band Toys and Collectibles for sending me this whole box. My Little Pony cards are out now in Australia and you can find them at EB Games, JB Hi-Fi, Kmart, Gameology and more great retailers. Let's get into it. The rarity is just stunning. I really hope to pull her. So this box has 20 packs in it. Each pack contains 5 cards. Let's take a look at the back so we can see the pull rates. There are 170 different types of cards across 10 different rarities. Let's put these over here and open up pack number 1. Starting off with Sven Gallop. Then we've got Daring Do on the Secret Files card. Oh, it's Fluttershy! Oh, I accidentally skipped one. This was the one I skipped. It's the Rainbow Dash stickers. So you can put these stickers on these cards. These ones obviously don't match, but you could just put these on whatever pony you like, really. I'm trying to collect 2 of each of these cards so I can keep one on its own and then dress up one. And then you also get one of these backgrounds for your dress up pony too. So it can go like this. How cute is that? Absolutely love the concept. Pack number 2. Oh my gosh, it's Fluttershy. I don't think I have this card yet. She looks so cute. Then... Oh my goodness! We got a USR! And I pulled it forward a bit too much. We know who that is. Look how cute! Her Rainbow Dash looks perfect on this card. She is the Pegasus who looks after the clouds after all. Look at the way it sparkles. Let's get her in a sleeve. First rare pull of today. Oh, she looks so happy. That's me right now. Then the other 3 cards. Oh, this is a rarer one. So if you see back here, the ones on all 4s, they're TRs, which is less rare than the TGR, where they're standing on 2 legs. We got Sweetie Belle outfit and then Sweet Apple Acres barn for the background. Oh, I'm so excited to have one of these. Will pack 3 give us another one? Okay, first card is Thunder Lane. I love these cards. They're like little phone cards and the ponies always have super funny expressions. No, it doesn't look like we got a rare in this pack. We've got the Princess Cadence stickers. And then we've got the Rainbow Dash on all 4s. Then we've got one of these comic book type cards. I actually already have most of these from the Moon 3 set. And then our last one, it's Twilight's Treehouse. Honestly, I love these location cards. They're so cute, even if you don't use them as backgrounds. Pack number 4. Starting off with another phone call, this time Fancy Pants. Is it something rare? Doesn't look like it. Oh, that's exciting. We got Queen Chrysalis, her sticker outfit. This is one I don't have yet, so I'm very excited to dress her up. Then we got Princess Cadence, then Sparkly Twilight Sparkle, and the last one, I think that's in the school. Pack number 5. Starting off with Pinkie Pie, looking super cute. Oh! I thought for a second this was going to be a double I already had, but we're looking good. That is a fresh card. I love these pixel art cards. They're so fun. It looks like Pinkie Pie is in some kind of candy game. I love all these little hearts. And on the back, they have little hearts as well, which I think is extra cute. Okay, that one needs a sleeve too. Then we've got the Starlight Glimmer outfit and the Pinkie Pie to dress up. And lastly, it looks a bit like Pinkie Pie's party room in here. On to pack number 6. We're off to a really good start. Oh, we got the Spike on the phone. This is a new one for me. He's looking very annoyed there. Next card is, oh, it's a sticker, not a rare. We've got the, oh my gosh, how funny does that look? So this is Twilight Sparkle's outfit, but you can see it on Mist Main there. Mist Main is another one of the rare ones. And we got the comic book Spike. And lastly is our background, which is Twilight's Castle. Pack number 7. We've got Suri Polymer on the phone. Is it a rare? No rare in this one. Pinkie Pie outfit. You can see that's like the Pinkie Pie standing up outfit. It wouldn't fit on one of these ones. Another Fluttershy, but I'll never say no to a Fluttershy. Another Twilight Sparkle and the library. That's such a cute background. Pack number 8. Oh, Rainbow Dash looking so happy. And then next card is USR. Who is it gonna be? Come on, Rarity. Come on, Twilight. Oh, wait, no. I say no because I already have this card. She's beautiful. She's stunning. One of my absolute favorite characters, but I already have her. It's alright. I might be able to trade her in the future with someone. Still a beautiful card. Honestly, one of my favorite cards. It's only that I already got her and I'm hoping to get a bunch of new ones. Okay, then what have we got? We've got the Rainbow Dash standing up stickers, Rarity dress up, and then the Canterlot Castle. This is pack number 9. Starting off with Pinkie answering the phone. I'm excited because I need this one. Then, is there anyone special behind her? Just the Rarity outfit, or the standing Rarity outfit, and then Applejack dress up. Then we've got Spitfire, and last background. Oh, that's a perfect one for Rainbow Dash, isn't it? This is pack number 10. Oh, coconut cream. That's a cute little filly. Then any rare one? No, it's one of the Secret Files ponies. We've got Maud. And we've got a standing Fluttershy outfit. A Rarity dress up. This looks like the perfect place for Fluttershy to live. Okay, so that is already half the pack. Come on, let's go. Cozy Glow. I hate her. I'm sorry. Her face makes me so mad. Secret Files again, this time of Applejack. Next one, stickers of Twilight Sparkle. Another dress up of Princess Cadence. And another one of the School of Magic. Because there aren't as many cards in this set, you do get a lot of doubles. I think this is pack number 12. A Rarity. Is there a beautiful Rarity behind her? Ooh! Ah, it's photo finish. Actually, that's stunning. Look at the purple in that design. It's not one of the main 6, but it's still super, super pretty. That is another UR. Then we've got the Applejack standing. And look, it's Apple Bloom. She's so cute. And then I think that's a place in School of Friendship. It's very cute either way. Pack number 13. Pinkie Pie, looking annoyed again. Anyone special behind? Nah, we've got, ooh, the Mist Main clothes. That's exciting. I don't have those ones. Rarity. Oh my gosh, this is one of the 3 comic book cards that I actually don't have. And look how sweet Fluttershy looks. And then behind her, we have the city. Oh, this is an awesome one. I haven't got this one before. Pack number 14. Coconut cream again. Oh! Oh! That is exciting. Hello, Rainbow Dash. The rainbow just looks so good in the pixel art. I love that she has little rainbow hearts on hers too. Time for another sleeve. Rainbow Dash is winning today. Okay, Twilight Sparkle outfit, Apple Bloom, and then School of Friendship. Pack number 15, getting down to the last few. Oh, I have to show you the back of these cards. It looks like a whole card itself. It's so cute with all their faces. This is the back 4, the phone call ones. And we got Pinkie Pie's outfit, Rainbow's dress up, Mare, and another one of those Fluttershy backgrounds. 5 packs left. I'm getting kind of nervous. Starting off with Twist phone call. Anyone exciting behind her? Just Rainbow Dash outfit. And Twilight dress up. Babseed in the comic book. And last background, Pinkie Pie's cooking and party station. Pack number 17. It's sunny days. Is there a rare? No, secret files. Apple Bloom looking adorable in her hat carrying apples. Then we've got the rarity. Oh my gosh, look how cute Pinky looks in the rarity outfit. She looks pretty happy at Sweet Apple Acres too. Bag number 18. Prince Blue Blood, that's a brand new card for me. Is it a rare? Nope. Secret Files of Spike. Behind him we have a Fluttershy outfit and a Scootaloo dress up. And then Ponyville in winter background. Only 2 bags left. Come on, can we get an XR in one of our last 2 packs? Bulk Biceps, also a new card. XR. Nope. Just a Secret Files of Mr. Carrot Cake. Then Applejack outfit. Oh, look at that little frog. Yeah, he's the cutest guy. We've got Twilight and then Twilight Castle. Okay, this is the last pack. Please give us some last pack magic. I will be happy with any kind of rare card that I hopefully don't already have. Applejack on the phone. No rare card in here. Sweetie Belle, Applejack comic, and Gingerbread House. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you Band Toys for sending me these pony cards, and I'll see you with some more pony card unboxing soon. Bye!